LinkedIn, hashtags, well, apparently it's a thing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use hashtags on LinkedIn. And for those of you who are not quite sure what a hashtag is, don't worry. I'm going to explain it for you too. Stay tuned. As you probably already know, hashtags were a Twitter thing, and then they became an Instagram thing, and then sometimes people use them on Facebook, but here on LinkedIn, it's a whole new thing that is really starting to take off. So to make sure everybody is on the same page, let me give you a brief explanation. So let's just say you want to make a post about, oh, I don't know, roller skates, because you know everybody on LinkedIn wants to post about roller skates. Yeah, just work with me here, okay? So you create this amazing post about these cool roller skates, and then you end the post with the number sign and the word roller skates, all one word together. What does that do for you? One, you are identifying this post to be about the topic roller skates. And then two, it becomes a clickable link that pulls together any other posts that other people have identified are about roller skates too. So now you have, I don't know, some semblance of how a hashtag works. Let me get into my 3 tips on how you can use them on LinkedIn. Tip number 1, create your own branded hashtag. This is a great strategy for anybody creating content and posting it directly to the newsfeed. Unlike Facebook, where you can archive back to 2006, you can't quite do that on LinkedIn just yet. So you're limited to what you can find. So what you can start doing going forward is using your own branded hashtag. So for example, just as Cher is a branded hashtag. Creating a hashtag that is unique to you, or hopefully unique to you, and associating that to posts that you create will allow you to find them within the archives. Got it? Okay, on to my next tip. Tip number 2, follow hashtags. Recently, you may have noticed that LinkedIn has asked you, what hashtags do you want to follow? And here's what that does for you. The minute you pick out these keywords, because that's basically what a hashtag is, for me, for example, I pick marketing, sales, social media, personal branding. Those are topics that I'm interested in based off of what I do. You can choose topics that are relevant to you. And what happens is you will start to see those topics show up in your newsfeed. So in addition to the people that you are already connected to and you're following, you are customizing your newsfeed so that you can see more of what you're interested in. So this way, if your newsfeed is kind of on the boring side because your network's a little bit boring on their posts, you can follow the good stuff using the hashtags or upgrade your network, which brings me to tip number 3, get involved in the hashtag communities. You know what they say, right? Birds of a feather flock together. So if you want to get involved in a rich community of people who actually care what you're talking about, you can take the opportunity to network in the comments. And for those of you who've been following me for a while, you know I'm all about engagement. And you can grow an incredible network and create opportunities by simply following hashtags that matter to what you do, what you sell, what you know about. When you get involved in the comments within those posts, you can grow your network, create opportunities, and trust me, I've had people all week tell me that they have created amazing connections just by getting involved in the comments in my posts. And I know it's not exclusive to my posts. People everywhere are creating opportunities by just being, you know, social. It's time to get involved in the communities to grow your network, to find content that you care about, and to make sure you can find your own content too. So by using these 3 tips, that is exactly what you do. And that's it. So now I have a question for you. Do you plan to start using hashtags in your posts? Have you already been using them? What's it been like for you? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you have a question about social media, personal branding, LinkedIn, or anything else, all you have to do is hashtag just as Cher. Thanks so much for watching. And of course, you can expect brand new Just as Cher videos every Thursday. There's seriously roller skate posts on LinkedIn. Boom. Mind blown.